Hey there, this is Sench with Vumber.com. Today I'm going to show you how to download your call recordings from your Vumber dashboard. Before we start, please note that call recording has to be enabled before the call takes place. If it wasn't turned on, there won't be a recording to download. Also, it needs to be enabled manually on each Vumber. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your account at Vumber.com. Once you're in, go to the Call Activity tab on the left-hand menu. From there, click on Answered or Outgoing Calls, whichever one applies. If you're looking for a voicemail instead, you can follow the same process under the Voicemails tab. Now, if you have a lot of calls, you might want to use filters to find the one you need. You can filter by your Vumber number, the other caller's number, or the date of the call. Once you've found the right call, click More. Then click the three dots next to the recording and select Download. The file will automatically save to your computer as an MP3, and that's it. If you have any questions or run into any issues, just reach out to us at support@vumber.com. Thanks for watching, bye for now.